Have you ever wondered how much your daily habits impact your health? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's a well-known fact that our health is significantly influenced by the choices we make each day. This is where the concept of health promotion, maintenance, and prevention comes into play. Consider health as a well-oiled machine. To keep this machine running smoothly, it needs regular maintenance. This analogy applies to our bodies as well. Health maintenance involves regular checkups, a balanced diet, and adequate physical activity. It's about taking care of our bodies today to prevent diseases tomorrow. Now imagine a vehicle again. Even with regular maintenance, if it's not driven safely or responsibly, it can still break down. This is where health promotion comes in. It's about making the right choices for our health, which includes everything from choosing not to smoke to choosing to get vaccinated. Health promotion is about creating a culture of health, where making the healthy choice is the easy choice. But what happens when the machine breaks down, despite all the precautions? This is where health prevention comes in. It's about taking measures to prevent disease and detect it early when it's most treatable. This includes screening tests, vaccinations, and lifestyle changes. But why are these three elements, health promotion, maintenance, and prevention, so important? Well, they are crucial because they not only help us live longer, but they also improve the quality of our lives. They reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes and help us maintain our physical and mental health. And it's not just about individual health. When a community or a country embraces these principles, it can lead to lower healthcare costs, improved productivity, and a healthier population. So it's not just an individual responsibility, it's a collective one. Remember, health is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. It's about thriving, not just surviving. And this is where health promotion, maintenance, and prevention come into play. They are the tools that help us thrive. Now the question is, what can you do to promote, maintain, and prevent health issues? It starts with small steps. Eat a balanced diet, get regular exercise, go for regular checkups, get vaccinated, and make healthy choices each day. Remember, every step you take towards health promotion, maintenance, and prevention is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So why not take that step today?